Today we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch part number X7512S for a 2021-2026 Honda Civic, which features a 100% concealed cross tube, patent-pending stainless steel receiver, as well as the highest weight ratings in the market with 3,000 pounds towing and 400 pounds of tongue weight capacity, making it the best option for e-bikes and more. Begin by removing the 3-wheel well screws from each side. If your vehicle is equipped with mud flaps, remove them now. Next, remove the bottom screws and clips securing the rear bumper. For models with a lower cover panel, remove the clips and screws attaching it to the bumper, then pull the panel down and out of the way. Open the trunk and pop off the plastic taillight covers. Remove the 2 screws securing each taillight, along with the single bolt below that attaches the bumper to the vehicle. Carefully remove the taillights and unplug the wiring harnesses. Starting at the fenders and working toward the center, gently unclip the rear bumper. Once fully detached, set the bumper aside in a safe location. Locate and remove the 8 factory bolts securing the rear crossmember. Remove the crossmember and set it aside. This component will not be reinstalled as the EcoHitch will take its place. Take an M8 by 40mm bolt and place a 3/8" internal tooth lock washer and M8 plate washer onto it. Insert the bolt through the frame plate, then carefully feed the plate into the rear of the frame with the bolt hanging downward. Note, you may need to temporarily unhook the exhaust to access the passenger side mounting point. Loosely secure the frame plates using M8 by 40mm bolts, along with 5/16" split lock washers and flat washers. Attach the lower frame support bolt using a flat washer, split lock washer, and M8 hex nut. Lift the hitch into position and align the side plate holes with the installed frame plates. Secure the hitch using the included 1/2" hardware. Torque all M8 hardware to 24 foot-pounds. Torque the 1/2" hardware to 70 foot-pounds. Please refer to the provided instructions for exact measurements and alignment of the bumper cutout. Once trimming is complete, reinstall the rear bumper, adjusting trim depth as needed for proper fitment. Reinstall the taillights and reconnect the wiring harnesses. Test all lighting functions to ensure proper operation. Your EcoHitch installation on the Honda Civic is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.